Hey everybody, it's Suzanne here and I am at the Lakehouse. So I wanted to show you, well that's my cohort in crime there, Terry. She's dealing with a phone call right now. But I wanted to share with you what the room looks like before all our guests come. So just to show you that there's a beautiful lake outside. It's right there, it's stunning. The waves are a little choppy today. So these three gifts here are for our challenge. We have 3 challenges and they are really good gifts. This is the prize patrol table. So we have prize patrols and everybody's a winner, but it depends on what color you're sitting at. Blushing Bride is this one. We call out names and then 1 and 2, and then they get to choose a prize. So here is what our initial table looks like as they enter. This is Stampin Up, and they have to sanitize if they want to use gloves. We do have rules. And then we have the tables, and we also have a couple single ones. There's a single one right there. Prize Patrol. There's a couple of singles, and then the rest of the tables. So this time we only have 16 people attending, and 2 of them just have dropped out recently. This is our DIY station. So people can come, you can grab some cardstock, some ink, stamps, punches. There's even some card kits for purchase. We have daubers and sponges, many different ink colors. And between the 2 of us, we have all the stamp sets, pretty much all the punches, all the papers. These stamp sets at the far back window here are the stamp sets that we are featuring in our make and takes. And I'll show you those in a minute. This is the Big Shot station. We have dies and we have embossing folders, a little bit of a cleanup station too. Of course, we have a recycle bin. Here's our hot tool station. We got some extra blocks, and of course, the Stamparatus is on display. This little messy table is where we sit and observe from our, making sure that all of our attendees are loving their crafty time. And these are our make and takes. So we keep them in this little trolley, and we hand out the specific cards. We hand them out one at a time, and we only touch them. And then the bin itself is what our attendees use, and they just are using what they have to for the actual card. And they have to wipe up. They have a baby wipe here, and so they wipe everything down. And I can give you a little peek inside the bag. Ooh. We make it special. We make it fun. We don't talk about the things that we don't want to talk about. And everybody has a beautiful view of our Okanagan Lake, even that side.